So this is our second year. Last year was a little bit of trials and tribulations, just keeping our pressures good, like our incoming water pressure. So we had to do a little bit of adjustment. We ended up flooding our ice at in between 60 and 65 degrees. We had to add some hot water just to be able to get my water pressure up. We had pretty good success. We got comments saying that our ice was good, and we had good, hard, fast ice. To wrap my head around, no hot water, and doing a few things different. This year, right off the hop, we got to it. I got my guys into doing the morning shave. Our ice is hard. It's really nice. Like it's fast. Clarity's not the greatest because we've had too many humidity issues with our new plant and everything. We haven't got the dehumidifier 100% dialed in yet. So I'm hoping once that's done, I might do a half-inch cut, try to cut out the frost and then rebuild. But right now, my building's sitting at like 75 to 80% RH. So we're high. Until I can get the system dialed in, my clarity's not the greatest, but the actual hardness of the product is phenomenal. I'm getting rave reviews that the ice is fantastic.